How to switch Instagram personal account to business account, 2026 guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch your Instagram personal account to a business account. A business account gives you access to useful features like insights, promotions, and contact options for customers. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and log in to your account. Step 1. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to open your profile page. Step 2. Open Settings. Now, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, tap Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Find Account Type options. Scroll down and look for Account Type and Tools. Tap on it to open the Account Management section. Step 4. Switch to Professional Account. Inside the section, tap Switch to Professional Account. Instagram will now show you information about professional accounts. Tap Continue to move forward. Step 5. Choose Business. Next, Instagram will ask you to select a category that describes your account, such as an entrepreneur, digital creator, blogger, brand. Choose the category that best matches your account, then select Business Account and tap Next. Step 6. Add contact information. Instagram may ask you to add contact details such as email address, phone number, business location. You can add this information or skip it if you prefer. Final result. And that's it. Now your Instagram personal account is switched to a business account, and you can start using features like Account Insights and Analytics, Promote button for ads, and Contact buttons on your profile. All of these features are available inside the Instagram app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful